I'm a fool because I love you. I love you, darling. I'm a fool. I can't stop loving you. My loved one, my angel, I love you right from the start. I'll never, never love anyone but you. You belong in my heart. You know I love you so. I want you to know I'll never let you go. Never let you go. My darling, my loved one, my angel. Yes, I love you right from the start. I'll never love anyone but you. You belong in my heart. You know I love you so. I want you to know I'll never let you go. Never let you go. Place anywhere, just as long as we are there, baby, baby, together, baby, together, baby, baby, just you and me, girl. Oh, how happy we'll be. Oh, we could be in poverty and no one to lend a helping hand, but it's alright, alright, I know, because you always understand. And I don't care, any place, anywhere, just as long as we share them, baby, baby, together, baby, together, baby, baby, just you and me. sit back, close your eyes. Think about all those wonderful times that we used to have, yeah. Now I know things aren't the way they used to be right now, but they are gonna get better someday, and I know that. And I remember when we used to play shoot 'em up, bang, 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 bang. Together, baby, together, baby. I wanna live my life with you, 'cause I want you to be my wife, you see. And I'll give you everything, everything. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Together, baby, together, baby. Heaven and paradise, oh, that's where I want to be. Just you and me in heaven and paradise. Ooh, heaven and paradise, oh, that's where I want to be. Just you and me in heaven and paradise. Ooh, paradise. Roses are red, violets are blue. God only knows how I love you, my darling. I love you, I love you so. I'll never let you go. Let you go. Heaven and paradise, oh, that's where I want to be. Just you and me in heaven and paradise. Ooh, paradise. They told me that love was only a game. Nobody really owns love. I tell you that I've gotten my share. Please say you care. Say you care. Heaven and paradise, oh, that's where I want to be. Just you and me in heaven and paradise. Ooh.
The entertainer, the entertainer.
You made them laugh and you left them feeling glad. You made them cry and you left them feeling sad. They've seen you perform in so many plays, but they're not to know you're unhappy today. So they'll never know. Go on with the show, 'cause
you're the entertainer, the entertainer. You're the entertainer, the entertainer.
The curtain's up and your audience is waiting out there. Now walk on stage, boy, like you don't have a care. And don't let them know that you're feeling so low. Since your girls put you down, you're a sad-hearted clown. But the show must go on and on.
You're the entertainer, the entertainer. You're the entertainer, the entertainer.
That applaud, now you know you made the grade. You fooled them well for the money they paid. Now walk off in style and don't forget to smile. Though your heart tells you frown, you can't let the people down. Sure, your one girl has gone, but you got to I've written down the information. So please, Mr. DJ, read my dedication. Dedicate a record over the air to somebody special who doesn't know I care. Mr. DJ, make this dedication for me. Please play something special, something sweet and slow. Maybe she'll be listening to your show. Then Mr. DJ, if she hears it, then maybe she'll know. So if it's not asking too much, please won't you read my request? Then maybe my dedication will say the words I'm too shy to confess. Oh, so Mr. DJ, I'm depending on you. This dedication could make my dreams come true. So Mr. DJ, make this dedication for me.
See
lonely. Get so lonely till I have to cry. I told my mother why I was through. I told her just what I was gonna do. If I live one more year, I'm packing my bags, getting away from here. The town I live in is so lonely till I have to cry. But I'm not ashamed to tell you that I cry, 'cause I lost my baby. If you see her, tell her to come on home. To tell you that I love her and that I need her now. Here by my side to be my guide. I wanna know if anybody sees my baby. If you see her, tell her that I love her. Tell her that I was wrong. Tell her that don't make me dream all alone. I lost my baby. Oh! 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 I wanna know if you see my baby. If you see her, tell her that I was wrong, and don't make me dream all alone, 'cause I want my baby. If you see her, tell her that I love her. I was a fool, I just didn't know what to do.
You know, we've been together a long time. And you know what? We can get a little old lightweight thing going if we really put our hearts to it. If you try and I try, girl, there's no telling how far we can go. Remember those loving fools, Romeo and Juliet? They thought they had a thing going, but they just didn't know. They couldn't visualize. They had no idea how it could really be, but we know me and you. Let's get away. Me and you. Lord, we know, don't we, darling? We won't be wasting our time fussing and fighting like other people. We're gonna be too busy being in love.
because this is the real thing. We found a groove. We move each other. We turn each other on. And this could last forever. All we need to do is give some kind of sign. Yes, love. And from then on, baby, it's easy. Let's talk about me and you.
Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow, playing a new game, laughing and running, oh, skipping and a jumping in the misty morning fog, with our hearts a thumping and brown-eyed girl, you my brown-eyed girl. Whatever happened to Tuesday so slow, going down the old man with a transistor radio, standing
have you know our love will grow and grow forever.
Our anniversary is here, darling, yes you know. Love has grown so dear since that year ago. Glad that you're still here, 'cause I love you so. 1 year ago today, yes, we made our vow. Your love, I'm glad to say, I've cherished up to now. Truly hope and pray that you will never go. 'Cause my darling, I love you madly. I need you forevermore. That's why we are married. It's you alone I'll forever adore. Whoa, whoa. Just like most new loves, we've had our ups and downs. Everything's okay whenever you're around. Truly glad to say, happy anniversary.
warmed the pillow on my bed so I could lay down my sleepy head. And in the prayer of your arms, darling, you protected me from all love's harm. Oh, baby, I guess that don't make me loser. Now, baby, even though you're gone, I guess that don't make me loser. Now, baby, I guess that don't make me a loser. Now, baby, even though you're gone, I guess that don't make me a loser. Now, baby, 'cause you done everything you could to bring love into my life. And you've been holding me so tight, baby, and making everything alright. Oh, baby, I guess that don't make me a loser. Now, baby, even though you're gone, I guess that don't make me a loser. Now, baby, I guess I'm all things. Now, darling, all the things that you done for me. Oh, baby.
Your little acts of kindness, your little deeds of love makes this earth a heaven like the world above. You're a symbol of heaven, the only girl that I love. Your little acts of kindness, your little deeds of love. Truly you're an angel, God's gift from above. You're a symbol of heaven, the only girl that I love. I'll climb the highest mountain, I swim the deepest sea. If only you'd believe in me, I'd be happy, happy as can be. Your little acts of kindness, your little deeds of love. Truly you're an angel, God's gift from above. You're a